to its place. Keep up the good work. It's time to fuel. Timber loader. That's all. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Timber loader. We did it! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. We need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. You're doing really great. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Tap on the objects to clear. Hooray! You're doing really great. Biggest rocks. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. We have to assemble. Bulldozer. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Ready. You're doing really great. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Bulldozer. Don't stop. We did it! We need to assemble. Excavator. Hooray! Help the car make its way. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Done! You're doing really great. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. We did it!